Howdy y'all! One Piece hat tutorials part 8. This is the last of our tutorials. If you want to see more One Piece hats made, comment below and we will get started as soon as possible. So, as you can tell by my lovely hair here, last of the hat tutorials is going to go to Brook, the Soul King, baby! This is the hat pattern. It is made by Odin Makes on YouTube. If you want to download this pattern yourself, I do need to teach how to print it though. Let's get that started. Warning, the original file does come as a just standard JPEG picture. So in order to print it, I had to go to a completely different website. So I decided to print my picture from gizmoa.com/poster-maker to print out the pattern. So essentially what we'll do, once you get to the website, you'll start at the top, choose the file with the picture, and then from there you'll just leave literally all the settings as is, and it was able to download it as a PDF. You print it out and there you go. Before cutting out your pattern, you're going to prepare your foam. We'll take 2 large sheets of yellow foam, glue them together with rubber cement. Remember, do a thin line. Allow it to slightly dry, not completely. Put it together, and then we'll cut the foam. Next, you're going to grab some gold fabric. I got some gold metallic stretch fabric. You're going to cover it in lovely Mr. Super 77. Spray both sides. You're going to expose the ends after you lay down your fabric, so that way we can smush it together. Forgot to say with the crown, expose the bottom too. Next, you're going to take some half dowels and you're going to attach them, I believe it's 1 inch. Yes, 1 inch from the bottom of the crown. Take your time. You're going to glue them together to the fabric with the contact cement. Let it dry completely. Attach it to the other one like this. And then we'll put the crown together. Going to use Mr. 77 again to put glue over this. You're going to stretch as you layer your fabric over the tubes, and then essentially let it go. Remember to expose the ends, and then we'll finally put the crown together. Next, you're going to take a 16-inch cake plate. Basically make a hole big enough to fit your head through. After you fill out the hole, you're going to cover it with some beige fabric. With the gold, you're just going to lay it out flat. Spray both sides of the cardboard with Super 77. Cut the hole out the middle and then attach the crown on top. Lastly, we're going to be gluing these acrylic gems to the hat to be the gold dots. So these are the 25mm size. Remember to spray with Super 77. Keep the back sides exposed. We're going to attach it to the hat with either the rubber cement, a mixture of hot glue, and what I also recommend is E6000, just to make it as weatherproof as possible. Once you're done, it's going to look like